ओम श्री मात्रे नमः। यहाँ मैं सिर्फ रियलाइजेशन सेंटर पे आया हूँ। मैं उत्तर प्रदेश शासन में वर्क करता हूँ एज ए सहायक अभियंता। यहाँ पे मैं श्री विद्या दीक्षा लेना शुरू किया, तो यहाँ पे लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3 वगैरह 7 तक मैंने कंप्लीट किया। ये जो सेंटर है काफ़ी अच्छा सेंटर है। यहाँ का वाइब्रेशन बहुत अच्छी है। आप यहाँ आने के बाद फील करेंगे कि यहाँ का वाइब्रेशन है वो पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन है और आप में इंटरनली चेंजिंग दिखेगा, आप फील कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट है जो हमारे गुरु जी हैं, श्री प्रेमानंद जी गुरुदेव है हमारे, वो अल्टीमेट गुरु है हमारे। बहुत ही बेस से बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से दीक्षा देते हैं। हर एक मंत्र की दीक्षा को प्रॉपर तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ताकि आप उसको समझ पाएं। और वो मंत्र इतने इफेक्टिव होते हैं कि जब आप उसकी चैंटिंग करते हैं तो उसका फर्स्ट डे से ही, फर्स्ट चैंटिंग से ही उसका इफेक्ट आपको दिखने लगेगा, फील होने लगेगा। बॉडी में एनर्जी फील कर सकते हैं, वाइब्रेशन फील होती है यहाँ पे। तीसरा, मुझ में जो चेंजिंग है, मैंने जब से ये श्री विद्या साधना दीक्षा लिया है, फैमिली इश्यूज जितने भी थे वो रिसॉल्व हो गए हैं। जॉब रिलेटेड इश्यूज हो या मनी रिलेटेड इश्यूज हों, वो इजीली सॉल्व हो जाते हैं। वो लेवल 3 तक ही में ही सॉल्व हो जाते हैं। लेवल 5 तक आने में आप में बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज हो जाएगी। नेक्स्ट मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी लोग ये दीक्षा लेते हैं, दिस इज द अल्टीमेट श्री विद्या साधना, अल्टीमेट दीक्षा। आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए लाइफ में, 1 टाइम आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिए। दिस इज द अल्टीमेट एनर्जी, अल्टीमेट दीक्षा, अल्टीमेट साधना। थैंक्स टू ऑल। ओम श्री मात्रे नमः।
So I have been associated with Guruji from last, I think, 9 months, and I have done few courses of Shri Vidya, Das Mahavidya, others also, and it has been a very nice journey for me. Guruji explanation is so apt and so nice that one can understand, any layman can understand. So teachings are awesome, and very confident that apart from when we are getting in YouTube, there are so many types of Gurujis available. So I am full confident and trust this Guruji. Hence this is the best for any householder. I'm a mother of 3 kids, so it becomes very easy for me to follow this path and go slowly. And I have benefited, like I have been kind of a bit aggressive kind of a lady, and after Shri Vidya I have softened down to much level. My understanding has changed. I really can understand my personality right now, how I have become so quiet. But yeah, again focused. My business focus is always there. I am focusing on my kids also. I am focusing on my sadhana also. So it is a very happy journey for me, and I wish to continue forever for this. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम प्रमिला अमीन। मैं मुंबई से हूँ। मैंने श्री विद्या में इंटरेस्ट था तो मैंने वेबसाइट पे चेक किया तो मुझे ये मिला। तो यहाँ का मुझे कोई नॉलेज नहीं था, बट फर्स्ट टाइम मैं यहाँ पर आई तब मुझे ऐसे डिसाइड लगा कि मेरा जो डिसीजन था वो परफेक्ट था और राइट था। गुरुजी इतना अच्छे से सिखाते हैं और इतना अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि क्या बताऊं। आप जो भी श्री विद्या सीखना चाहते हैं, आई वुड से कि यहाँ पर आइए और यहाँ से सीखिए। बहुत सेफ है। इवन मैं अकेले वहाँ से ट्रैवल करके यहाँ पर आती हूँ एवरी ईयर, और यहाँ से सीख कर जाती हूँ और प्रैक्टिस भी करती हूँ। और प्रैक्टिस का इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट है कि आपके जो भी अपलिफ्टमेंट हो जाता है, जो आपको चीजें पहले नहीं समझ में आती थी अब एकदम क्लियरली समझ में आता है। मतलब अगर एक फैमिली में अगर एक बंदा भी ये सीखता है तो उसकी आगे की 7 पीढ़ी भी ये चीज DNA के थ्रू पास होगा और उनको समझ भी आएगा। और जितना प्रॉब्लम हम अभी के लाइफ में फेस कर रहे हैं वो लोग नहीं फेस करेंगे। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके फैमिली, आने वाली फैमिली जो जा चुके हैं वो फैमिली भी अपलिफ्ट हो, तो आप ये श्री विद्या कोर्स गुरुजी श्री प्रेमानंद के द्वारा करिए। Thank you so much.
Namaste, I'm Girish. I'm a Sri Vidya Sadhan. So I'm attending this 6 and 7 level workshop for Sri Vidya. I've attended my first workshop in 2021 in the old center. Second and third also I have attended in the old center. This particular workshop I'm attending in a new center. It was a very fantastic experience. I've been benefited a lot by doing Sri Vidya Sadhana. This environment of this center is amazing. Very peaceful, very divine, very calm. So when someone walks inside for any sadhana, any satsang, it's a different world. Thank you, Guruji, and this has helped me a lot in my personal life as well as my professional life. Thank you. Thank you, Shri Vidya. Thank you so much.
So I would like to say that this techniques that we have got, it's like a very blessed thing for us, because without blessings we would have never been able to get the techniques. The experience is like mind-blowing and it cannot be expressed through words. exactly, because every experience, every person's experience is very different. And in my experience, I have seen a lot of changes in my behavior. I had a lot of anger issues, and that has come into control. And other people also around you, their behavior towards you, the way they treat you also changes. It's very blessed thing to have Guruji like this, because whatever doubts you get through the experience, or when you're doing your sadhana, all your doubts are cleared, because Guruji is just an email away. You can write to him and he answers, and you get clarity, because in spirituality, clarity is very, very important. If you don't have clarity, there is a possibility of getting stuck, and getting stuck in spirituality is very difficult thing, because nobody would know how to come out of it. Reason being, nobody knows about spirituality completely as Guruji does. So I would like to say that just give it a try and attend the workshop, and you will experience abundance in your life for sure.
So I have been doing sadhana since last November, and I took my Sri Vidya level 1, 2, 3, and I have been practicing. It has been very good change in my life. It's a lot of blessing, lot of unconditional love I has been experiencing through this lineage. Lot of positive change in my personal life, among my family members, as well as my inner world, as well as my personal journey, spiritual journey. So this whole sadhana has been a very, very, very good blessing to me as well as my family. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Siddharth. I just came for my level 4 and 5. Experience has been really amazing. I have been doing the sadhana regularly for last 6 months. Experience, it's an eye opener. Guruji has been very, very, very good, and I think I'm having a big impact on the overall development of myself. A lot of things are opening up for me. I think it's really great that Mother Divine, brought me into this, and I'm really grateful.
Yeah, so I think I have joined Guruji, a workshop in level 1 and 2 as well, and this is my level 3 and 4 I have done with him. Level 4 experience is pretty good right now. He explained everything very well. Whatever the doubts and question we have in level 1 till 3, he cleared it also. And while the journey of this spiritual experience of Divine Mother through Sri Vidya Sadhana, with the help and guidance of our Guru Thirumalarji, I think any problem and challenges that comes, Shiva Premananji always makes sure that he explained everything very well to us. Small doubt clearance to anything which is happening in our world or in our surrounding. He makes sure that we surpass all these obstacles and follow our spiritual path pretty well. So my experience, not only for the workshop, but the experience that I have gained in the 1.5 years of practicing under the guidance of Guruji is profound. There is no word to explain about it, but definitely I'll recommend everybody that they should definitely take this experience in one's lifetime, and it always helps us to scale our spiritual ability as well as keeping us in a vibrational frequency where we manifest our desires and also manifest Divine Mother and their blessings with the help of our Gurus. And overall experience of the workshop is, I think, divinely good in the small words, and I would recommend, and I will be keeping myself, seeing myself coming for the next level as well, which is my 6th and 7th. I have also recommended this to some of my friends who really wanted to incline themselves into this spiritual sadhana of Sri Vidya, and I think very few people get a chance, and I think like if I am here, it's a more privileged, and Divine Mother Sri Lalita Ambika is giving this chance to me right now, standing here and speaking for this center, as well as opportunity that she has given me to understand our entire Siddha Parampara and the mantras that has been given by beloved Guru Thirumalarji, and be the part of that clan under the guidance of our Shiva Premananji Guru. So definitely this is a divine experience for me, and there is no words to explain about it more.
So I have been coming here for last 4-5 months, and I have been following Guruji for last 1 year, and the experience with Guruji and his teaching has been really nice. He is very supportive, he answers all the questions, and my experience with Sri Vidya Sadhana, what I am doing right now, I am in level 3, It has been really great, and I found it very useful whenever I interact with Guruji. Guruji guides me and make his YouTube videos, and supports from the team is really nice. And we are looking forward to learn a few more things and be in touch with the Guruji and his teachings. Thank you.
गुरुजी का टीचिंग्स हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा है, क्योंकि इनका टीचिंग्स हमको मतलब बहुत सिंपल वे में बताते हैं और आउटर रिचुअल्स कम है, इनर मेडिटेशन है, और हम गुरुजी के टीचिंग्स को हम बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं। जब से आए हैं लाइफ में बैलेंस हो गए हैं, शांति मिली है और हर चीज़ मैनिफेस्ट हो रहा है, खुशी हो रही है।
Yeah, my name is Kavita and I am practicing this sadhana from past 6 months, and today I am here for higher levels 6 and 7. Overall, I must say that it was a very divine experience. The tools and techniques and the very humble nature of the Guruji to clarify everybody's doubts in a very simple words was very overwhelming. I must say that everybody should get the opportunity, if they make it possible, to come here and go through the trainings. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Krishna. I'm coming from Chennai. This program Sri Vidya I have attended till level 7. Today is my level 7 workshop. Every human who has born as a human should attend this program. It was very nice actually. Many of my problems has got solved, and even attracting lot of money, and moreover spiritual also. I can see lot of differences. I feel lot of good vibration, slow current always flowing through my body actually, and I feel more confident after attending this workshop. I feel more confident, more calm now, very peace and very happy. So thanks to Guruji. So Guruji teaches like a child actually. So whatever we ask, so he teaches like a child and take care of us like a child. Thank you, Guruji.
Hi, Namaste. I have been practicing Sri Vidya Sadhana from long time, and right now I'm here to learn level 6 and 7. I am in loss of words to describe the experience. First of all, Guruji is such a divine person, and secondly, his teachings. It's just so like we laugh, we learn, and everything in one shot. That is another experience also. And in all total, first of all, I'm feeling very small to describe him or his workshops. It's just an experience which takes you to another level, and also you learn so much in one single day. That's beyond measure. Thank you.
Yeah, I had the good fortune of attending this workshop. So I was lucky in the sense that in the 2 months back, when the level 1 and 2 classes were announced, and I had joined that course, and immediately after 2 months now, I got the opportunity to participate in this level 4, 5, 6 also. So that way I was lucky to have both the levels cleared at a time. The teachings here are excellent. Guruji gives amazing clarity on all the doubts what we have. He really, inspires us to go more. I suggest anybody who's interested in this to attend the workshops here. Thanks.
To know about Guruji through a YouTube channel. A lot was happening in my life, and I needed a place, I needed something, an activity to just vent out my things. Emotions were going just out of my control. So I joined Guruji's Sri Vidya Sadhana module 1. I just told myself, let's see what happens. It was just a chance that I had taken, and believe me, after practicing the first module itself, I felt a lot of change in me. My attention that was outside, feeling that the cause of my misery, all of a sudden I realized that it was my own creation. Slowly, this self-realization led to a lot of changes in me, and I can't tell you. Now I've come for the 7th course, and a lot has happened, and many things have changed in my life from first course to the 7th, and I'm really happy. The transformation is just mind-blowing, and I can't explain you this in words. I'm so grateful to Guruji for his compassion and for the love that he bestows on his disciples, and I'm very happy to be a part of the Sri Vidya Sadhana from Guruji. Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you.